Hi America, I'm in Salt Lake City, Utah, and now I'm going to talk to you about how to make a MySpace playlist. There's a really easy way to make a MySpace playlist of your favorite music artists and put them all in a list so that you can listen to them, or people that look on your MySpace profile can listen to them. And you're going to go to projectplaylist.com. And then after you click on their website, go ahead and go in there. And what you're going to do is you're going to browse the different artists and the different songs that you'd like to add to your MySpace profile. After the website has loaded, you can search for a specific artist. So we're just going to search for an artist right here. And then just go ahead and click search. Now it'll bring up a bunch of different songs that you can look at, that you can listen to, and that you can add. So go ahead and click the add song to your playlist. As you can see, it added it on the right side, and so now you can go back down and add another one like this, or you can go back up and search for a different artist. Now on the bottom right it says embed and get player code, so click on that, but you will need to log in to get your code. So you'll need to log in, and you will have to become a member in order to download and to copy and paste the playlist. But after you've gone through the procedure to become a member, you just copy the embed code. Be sure to copy all of it, and then go under your MySpace profile, and you can copy and paste it anywhere that you'd like to.